Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome back to our Jenkins tutorial. Okay, so we have done a pretty good job till now. We have created a lot of Jenkins jobs using we have configured jobs by manually configuring. Okay, we have configured jobs through Jenkins file also. Okay, so in a lecture also, if you want to recall, if we go to configure, we were able to get clone an MVN application, and we were able to package that application, and we were able to archive that even build using this through a Jenkins file. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? Okay, so we're gonna bring a Docker in this video. Okay, yes, so we'll be configuring, or I must say integrating Docker with Jenkins. So this lecture will be divided into two parts. Okay, so in the first we'll be installing and or configuring Docker in our Jenkins server. Okay, so let me quickly log in into my Jenkins server. So this is our Jenkins server. Okay, we can type netstat -tulpn to see what all services are running and on which port. So we can see our Java application, which is our Jenkins, is running on port 8080. Okay, so if we try to see if there is any Docker images currently installed in our Jenkins server, let me type docker, that is Docker, and let's see the containers, docker ps-a. Okay, so see what it said, that Docker is currently not installed on this server. Okay, so now what we're gonna do? Yes, we're gonna install this in our Jenkins server. Okay, for that we're gonna take an help of our Google. So we'll type Docker, simple Docker, and the first link here will get install Docker. We'll click this. So we have got a nice documentation on how to install Docker on different platforms. Like for we have instructions for Mac, we have instruction for Windows, and we have instruction for Linux also. Okay, so we'll be following obviously Linux, and for Linux, our platform is Ubuntu. Yes, so the first step is just to remove any previous Docker installation, any previous version if you have. Okay, so currently we don't have any Docker running, so we won't be using this. Now go down, and yes, we'll do a sudo apt update. I'll add -y for auto approval if required any. Meanwhile it is doing, let me copy the second command and paste it here. Yes, okay, so seems our server is pretty updated, right? Yes, I'm gonna copy this key and we'll paste in here. Okay, and again I'll check this. Yes, pretty tough job, complex job to copy and paste, right? Yeah, so again a second command to paste. We are almost there, and finally one last time we'll update the apt directory -y for again auto approval, and here we go. This is our final command. Oops, I forgot to add -y, so I have to type it manually. Y, yes. Okay, let me pause the video for a second. Yes, so now if we type docker ps-a, yes, so No, we have one container running. Okay, let me quickly delete that container. Docker rm. Okay, now if we see docker ps -a. Okay, typo. Docker ps -a. Okay, so currently there is no container left in our this server. Okay, and if we try to see any docker images, do we have? No, we don't have any docker images also. So if we want to pull, suppose a mysql docker image, what we do, right? Docker pull mysql. Okay, so it is downloading the mysql uh, docker image. Okay, yes, now if I type docker images, I would see a MySQL image in a repository. Okay, so I guess let's not extend this lecture too much. In the next lecture, what we're gonna do, in the same way, we'll create a Docker image of our own, in which we'll be deploying our Maven application, Maven war application. Okay, .war file into that Docker image, and we'll try to create a container out of that image. Okay, so basically we'll be running our hello world tomcat application on a Jenkins, on a Docker through Jenkins. Pretty cool, right? Yes. So thank you so much for this lecture, and we'll see you in the next one.